Okay, we're good. All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the 2022 Hamilton Middle School Geography Bee. The Geography Bee is designed to challenge students' knowledge of the political, physical, economic, and cultural geography of our planet. Each year in our school, a qualifying test is administered to determine the top students in geography. And those 12 students are here today to compete in the final rounds. Actually, 11. We had one absence today. Max Bonin. So we'll continue with the remaining 11 finalists. This morning's competition will feature a series of rounds, each with its own category. Once a student answers 3 questions incorrectly, that student is eliminated from competition. We will continue this morning until a third, second, and first place winner are determined. Trophies will be awarded, and the first place winner will, of course, have his or her name engraved on the HMS Geography Bee plaque, which remains on permanent display in our school's main lobby. In alphabetical order, our finalists are William Calabria, Chase Emmel, Ryan Garrity, Justin Haggerty, Ted Haynes, Ryan Langley, Jake Martino, Vincent Petters, John Potak, Jeremiah Taylor, and Chase Watson. All right, good luck to everybody, and let's do this, all right? All right, here we go. All right, everybody, in round 1, each of you will receive a different question concerning the geography of the United States. So in this round, every question is going to have to do with the U.S., all right? You're going to have 20 seconds to offer a response. If you don't provide an answer by the time the 20 seconds elapse, then we're going to have to record that as an incorrect answer. So basically, guys, if you don't know the answer to something, you're better off, you got to guess something. If you say nothing, it counts as a wrong answer. So offer an educated guess, even if you're not totally sure what the answer is. All right. And like I said, we're going in alphabetical order. So William, you're up, dude. All right, get up there. You want to go by William, Billy? What do you want? William's cool. All right. All right, dude, you ready? Oh, I hear Wally. Oh, maybe he could take Max's spot as our 12th finalist. I mean, Wally's he's a bright dude. Maybe we'll get him in there. All right, guys, remember, every question this round has to do with the United States. All right, William, here we go. All right. What is the capital of the second largest state in the United States? What is the capital of the second largest state in the United States?
Dallas.
Oh, right state. It is Texas, but the capital is Austin. Austin. All right. All right, dude, you can have a seat, please. All right, Chase, you're up, dude. Emmel, Chase Emmel. We got 2 Chases. All right, Chase. The Savannah River forms the border between South Carolina and what other state? The Savannah River forms the border between South Carolina and what other state?
North Carolina.
No, I had to go the other direction. Georgia, Savannah, Georgia. All right, Ryan Garrity. No Ryan Garrity. So we're missing Max and Ryan. I thought I counted 11 dudes. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I had 12 originally. If Max isn't here and Ryan's not here, that means we only got 10. Why are there 11 dudes in here? Who is that mysterious, elusive person we don't have on the list? What's your name, dude?
My name's Lucas.
Lucas Comunale. Who's your teacher, man? You in 6th grade? Yeah. You remember what your score was?
28.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I think most of the 6th graders were around there anyway. All right, dude, let's go ahead and get you in. What do you think? All right, Lucas. And this actually works out.
You showed up.
Yeah. He showed up.
Walk on, Mr. Sarah.
Walk. We'll take him. All right, so we're gonna put you, even though alphabetically you're before Chase Emmel, we're gonna put you in Ryan Garrity's spot since he's not here, all right? And Max isn't here anyway, so that takes care of that. All right, Lucas, here we go. Next question in this list. How many states border the Pacific Ocean? How many states border the Pacific Ocean?
7.
Nah, it's only 5. Alaska, Hawaii, and then Washington, Oregon, and California. All right, next, Justin Haggerty. All right, dude. What state is located directly south of Kansas?
Oklahoma.
Oh, Oklahoma's correct. That's it. Nice. What are we doing? I'm using X's and checks. Is that what we normally do or no? Is that all right? Okay, cool. Next, Ted Haynes. Ted. All right, Ted, here we go. Which state capital is further north? Montgomery, St. Paul, or Jefferson City? Which state capital is located further north? Montgomery, St. Paul, or Jefferson City?
St. Paul.
St. Paul's correct for Minnesota. Yeah, good stuff. All right, next, Ryan Langley. Okay, Ryan, here we go, dude. Which state has more miles of coastline than any other state in the United States? Which state has more miles of coastline than any other state in the US? Alaska is correct. Yeah, and it's not even close. Alaska blows everybody away with the amount of coastline she's got. That's it. Good stuff. All right, next, Jake Martino. Okay, Jake. The delta of the Mississippi River is located in what state? The Mississippi River Delta is located in which state?
Mississippi.
Ooh, close, right next door, Louisiana. Louisiana, yeah. Right by New Orleans and then into the Gulf of Mexico. Let's see, Vincent Petters.
Okay.
All right, brother. All right, Vincent, here we go.
Okay.
What state is located directly east of Utah?
Colorado.
Colorado is correct, and also acceptable is Wyoming. A little part of that state is directly east also, but it's mostly Colorado. All right,
Yes.
man. Nice. John is up. John, am I pronouncing your last name correctly? Protag?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. All right, John, here's your question. The state of New York borders 2 of the 5 Great Lakes. Name the 2 Great Lakes that the state of New York borders.
Lake Erie and Lake Superior.
Oh, Lake Erie is one, but the other one is Lake Ontario. Lake Ontario. All right. Jeremiah Taylor. Okay, Jeremiah, here we go. The source of the Ohio River is located in this state directly east of Ohio.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania is correct. Nice. Didn't even need the question repeated there. All right. All right, last one in this round here, Chase Watson. Okay, Chase. There's an area in the United States famously known as the Four Corners, where 4 states all meet at one point, forming perfect 90-degree angles. Name 3 of the 4 states that all connect at the 4 corners.
New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada,
Oh, no, New Mexico, Arizona, but then Utah and Colorado are the other two. All right. Okay, guys, let's see what's going on here. Mr. Velarde, we good? Round one?
Yep.
We're cool? All right. All right, fellas, we're going to head into round two. And as I indicated earlier, you're going to need that piece of oak tag and that Sharpie there because everybody's getting the same question. All right. So here's what's going on. And for everybody online. In round two, all of you are going to receive the same question concerning South America. South America. Each of you has been provided with a marker and a piece of oak tag. You're going to record your answer on the oak tag, cover it up a little bit. You know what I mean? When you write your answer, you're going to have 30 seconds. So at the end of 30 seconds, you got to have something written down on that oak tag. You ain't got nothing written down on there, then that's it. You understand? And like I said, this question has to do with South America. All right, fellas, here we go. I'm going to say the question 2 times. This way, no one has to ask for a repeat. What is the only country in South America that borders both the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean? So in other words, there's only one country in South America that borders both of those bodies of water, the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. That's the country you're looking for right there. What is the only country in South America that borders both the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean? 30 seconds. Spelling does not count. As long as Mr. Velarde, Mr. Puentes, as long as you know they can make out what you meant on your oak tag, you're fine, even if it's misspelled. We're going to have them go up one by one, or we just have them hold up their go. Okay. All right, guys, a few more seconds there. If you don't have something written down, take a shot. I mean, there's only like 13 countries in South America, so take a shot. We're good, right? Yeah. All right, fellas, put the Sharpie down on the table there. All right, we're going to call you same routine. We're going to call you up alphabetically so you can hold up the oak tag in front of the computer and you can say your answer aloud. All right. So William, up there, please, first. And while William's making his way up here, again, the question one more time was, what's the only country in South America that borders both the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean? William, what do you got? You got hold it up in front of the computer there and say your answer.
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Chase, you're up. Come up here, dude. All right, Chase, what do you got?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Lucas.
I guess Brazil.
Brazil. Justin.
I had Colombia.
Colombia. Ted. Ted, I like the baseball t-shirt there. Spirit of opening month. There we go.
Colombia.
Colombia. Next, Ryan. Colombia. Next, Jake Martino. Phil's dropped another one last night. Oh, God.
I have Colombia.
Colombia. Vincent.
Colombia.
We're on a streak of Colombias here. John.
Panama.
Hold it up, dude, please, so they can.
Panama.
Panama. Next, Jeremiah.
Colombia.
Colombia. Another Chase. Last one in this round here. Chase Watson.
Colombia.
And we got Colombia. All right. Yeah, the only country in South America that borders both of those bodies of water is Colombia. And a handful of you guys had it. All right. We're going to take a moment to just double check our scores here in round two. Mr. Velarde, I've got William, Chase, or excuse me, I'm sorry, Justin, Ted, Ryan, Jake, Vincent, Jeremiah, Chase. Is that correct? With correct responses there? All right. All right, fellas, we're going to move into round three here. And we're going to go back to the original format where each one of you is going to have a different question and you come up here. So here's what's going on, all right? For round three, all of these questions have to do with the Western Hemisphere. So we're getting bigger here. All right, we started with just the US, now we're going bigger. So by Western Hemisphere, remember, that's pretty much everything from Canada all the way down to Chile. All right, so we're going bigger here. So the question could have anything to do with the Americas, anything to do with this part of the world. All right, we're going back to the 20-second format. Got to offer an answer after 20 seconds. All right, sticking with alphabetical order. William, you're up first, brother. Okay, well, here we go. There are only two nations in South America that do not border Brazil. All the other countries in South America border Brazil, except for two countries. I need you to name one of the two countries in South America that does not border Brazil.
Paraguay.
Paraguay is incorrect. She does border Brazil. The two that don't are Chile and Ecuador. Yeah, they're on the Pacific side there. They don't touch Brazil. All right, man. Next, Chase. Okay, Chase, your question right here. Which Canadian province is located between Alberta and Manitoba?
Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan's correct. Nice. All right. Next, Lucas. All right, Lucas, your question. This city near the Gulf of Mexico is the fourth most populated city in the United States. Name the city. Question one more time. This city near the Gulf of Mexico is the fourth most populated city in the United States. Name the city.
I'm not sure.
Take a shot there. Take a shot.
I can't think of anything.
Nah.
No.
Nah, dude, we're looking for Houston,
Houston.
Texas. Yeah. You got New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, then Houston's fourth, and then we're fifth. Philadelphia's fifth in population. Next, Justin. All right, Justin, your question. The Great Smoky Mountains and Great Smoky Mountains National Park are both shared by two states in the U.S. One is North Carolina, and the other is located directly west of Carolina. Name that state.
Tennessee.
Tennessee's correct. All right. Next, Ted. All right, Ted, here we go. What are the national capitals of the following two countries in South America? So pretty much, I'm going to give you two countries in South America. You need to tell me the capital for each one. All right, the first country is Peru. So we need the capital of Peru.
Yeah, no idea.
I'm sorry.
No idea.
Well, let's go to the second one. Maybe the first one will come back to you. Who knows? The second question is Ecuador.
Yeah, no idea.
No? Oh, man. All right, dude. Question of the capital of Peru is Lima, and the capital of Ecuador is Quito with a Q, Quito. All right, let's see. Next, Ryan. Okay, Ryan, let's see here. Your question. Name two of the three countries in Central America that border Honduras. So we've got three countries in Central America that all border Honduras. You got to give us two of them, two out of the three.
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua is one.
And Guatemala.
And Guatemala is another one. Yeah, the third one is El Salvador. All right, man, nice. Okay, Jake. Okay, Jake, your question. On average, which state? All right, Jake, here's your question. On average, which state in the US receives the least amount of precipitation on an annual basis? So pretty much we're looking for like the driest state in the US.
Nevada.
Well, Nevada's correct. Yeah, it didn't need a repeat. Nice. Next we got Vincent. Okay, Vincent, looks like we're going up to Canada for this question.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Two of the three smallest provinces in Canada both begin with the same letter. I need you to name one of those two provinces.
Prince Edward Island.
We're looking for one that begin with the same letter.
Oh, okay.
That was that's part of the question. So that's what you got to give me there.
Oh, so Newfoundland starts with an N. I believe it starts with an N.
Is that your answer or?
I'm going with that. I don't, even if it's wrong, I'm going with it.
Okay, yeah, Newfoundland within it. Yeah, we're looking for N, but we're also looking for the smaller guys. So we needed Nova Scotia and New Brunswick.
Yeah, so I got the N. Got the N.
Right, but I needed one of those two provinces.
Yeah, I couldn't guess in time.
That's no sweat. Yeah, no sweat. But just so everybody, knows the two answers there, Nova Scotia and New Brunswick. We needed one.
need to I'm gonna have to study more on that on Canada.
You'll be all right, dude. You're still in it, man. Looking at the score sheet, you're pretty strong so far. So don't sweat it. All right. Next, John. All right, John, your question. Let's see. Here's the next one on the list. One of the most recognizable monuments in the world is a giant statue called Christ the Redeemer. This famous statue, featuring the outstretched arms of Jesus, stands atop a mountain overlooking what major city in South America?
Rio de Janeiro.
Yeah, nice. Didn't need a repeat for that either. Rio de Janeiro. Good. All right, next, Jeremiah. Okay, Jeremiah, your question. San Jose is the capital and the largest city of what nation in Central America? Question one more time. San Jose is the capital and the largest city of what nation in Central America?
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua is incorrect. We're looking for Costa Rica. Costa Rica there, all right. Last one in this round, Chase. All right, Chase, your question, brother. Here we go. In terms of size, land area, Cuba is the largest island in the West Indies. What is the second largest island in the West Indies in terms of size or land area? Question one more time. In terms of size, land area, Cuba is the largest island in the West Indies. What is the second largest island in the West Indies?
Puerto Rico.
I think Puerto Rico might be third, that or Jamaica. I can't remember. We're looking for Hispaniola. That's the island that shares the Dominican Republic and Haiti, Hispaniola. All right, we'll go over the scores. Give us a moment to check out the scores. All together. Right. Yes. Yeah, right, I had that too. That's it. We'll keep it. Yeah, I got the same thing. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, three. Yeah. All right, guys, we just went over the scores. We have a couple dudes with 3 incorrect answers. William and Lucas. All right. So you guys, like I said, please hang out here if you'd like. Continue watching the rest of the bee. All right, check it out, see what's going on. But we're going to keep going with the remaining finalists. All right. All right, round 4. We're going back to that oak tag. So just flip it over and use the other side of that oak tag. It's blank there. All right, guys, here's the deal. In round 4, all of you will receive the same question concerning the geography of Europe. So we're going to Europe next. Every question has something to do with Europe. All right. You're going to use your marker and your oak tag just like you did in round 2. 30 seconds. So once again, even if you have no idea or can't think of the answer, don't know, write something down. It has to do with Europe. Write something down. It's better than leaving it blank. All right. All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to say the question 2 times, so no repeat after that. In terms of both size and population, what is the largest country in the region known as Scandinavia? Question one more time. In terms of both size and population, what is the largest country in the region known as Scandinavia? Yeah, we're good. All right, fellas, Sharpies down there. Put them down on the table, please. We're going to call you up like we did in the other round. So Chase, Emil, you're first. And while Chase is making his way up here again, question one more time. We're looking for the largest country in the region known as Scandinavia. All right, dude, what do you got?
Sweden.
I got a Sweden. Next, Justin.
I also had Sweden.
Sweden. Next, Ted.
I also had Sweden.
Sweden. Ryan. Nice recovery on that fumble there. Norway. Next, Jake.
Sweden.
Sweden. Vincent.
I also have Sweden.
Sweden. Next, John.
I also have Sweden.
Sweden. We're on a run here. Jeremiah.
Sweden.
Sweden. And last one, Chase Watson.
I had Czechia.
And Chechnya. All right. All right, guys, let's check this out here. Largest country in Scandinavia is Sweden. Is Sweden. Yeah, most of you guys had that. All right. Right. Okay. All right, Chase Watson. Yeah, that was your third one. All right, dude. So hang out here, please. All right. Everyone else, we're going to continue round 5. Here we go. All right, guys, in round 5, each of you is going to have your own question concerning the geography of the Eastern Hemisphere. So this is pretty much anything in Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia. All right, the Eastern Hemisphere. 20 seconds to respond. Offer up something by the time 20 seconds elapse. All right, you're each going to get your own question. Now we're going to stick in this round until all the questions are exhausted in this round. And we got a bunch. We have like several dozen questions in this round. So we're going to keep going. If that list is exhausted, then we got some like tiebreaker questions following that. So we'll figure it out. You know, we'll get to it. Chase, Emily, you're first. All right, Chase, your question. Here we go. Each year, millions of Muslims make their pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca, which is located in what nation in the Middle East?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia is correct. Nice. Next, Justin. All right, Justin, your question. The United Kingdom is made up of 4 regions. What is the westernmost of the 4 regions in the United Kingdom?
Northern Ireland.
Northern Ireland's correct, yeah. The other 3, Scotland, Wales, and England, are both on the island of Great Britain. Nice. Let's see. Ted, you're up, dude. Here we go. What is the only country in Europe that features a total of 4 official languages? German, French, Italian, and English.
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Wow, nice. All right. We're off to a strong start here in round 5. I like it. All right, Ryan, you're up, brother. All right, Ryan, your question. What is the national capital of New Zealand? What is the national capital of New Zealand? No?
No.
All right. New Zealand's capital is Wellington. Wellington. All right, next, Jake. All right, Jake, your question. The Western Wall, also known as the Wailing Wall, wailing as in crime, and the Dome of the Rock are among the many sacred sites found in this city in Asia. Name the city. Question one more time. The Western Wall, which is also known as the Wailing Wall, and the Dome of the Rock are among the many holy sites that are found in this city in Asia. Name the city.
Tokyo.
Tokyo is incorrect. Jerusalem. Jerusalem, yeah, in Israel there. Next, Vincent.
Okay.
Hi, Vincent, your question. Greece borders 4 other countries. Name 2 of the 4 countries that border Greece.
Bulgaria and Turkey.
That's correct. Yeah, Bulgaria, Turkey. The other two are Albania and Macedonia.
Yeah, North Macedonia.
Not to be technical about it. Yeah, you got it, brother. All right, nice. John, all right, your question. John, there are 5 nations in Northern Africa that all border the Mediterranean Sea. In terms of size or land area, which one of the 5 is the smallest?
Tunisia.
Tunisia is correct. All right, nice. Jeremiah, last one in this round. All right, Jeremiah, your question. Windmills, tulips, and wooden moccasins are traditional cultural items associated with this country located to the west of Germany. Question one more time. Windmills, tulips, and wooden moccasins are traditional cultural items associated with this country located west of Germany.
Belgium.
I'm sorry?
Belgium.
Belgium, oh, right above it, the Netherlands. Yeah, the Netherlands we're looking for there, right above it. All right, man. Mr. Velarde, let's take a look here. We're good? All right, we're gonna keep rolling, fellas, in this round, sticking with the Eastern Hemisphere. Top of the order, Ricky Henderson, here we go. All right, Chase, you're up. All right, Chase, your question. What is the dominant religion of both Thailand and Cambodia?
Buddhism.
Buddhism is correct. Next, Justin. All right, Justin, your question. What is the only nation on Earth that borders both the Indian Ocean and the Coral Sea? Question one more time. What is the only nation on Earth that borders both the Indian Ocean and the Coral Sea?
I want to say Madagascar.
Ooh, Madagascar is incorrect. Australia. Australia. Next, Ted. All right, Ted, next question in the list. Geographically, what is the closest European nation to the continent of Africa? Geographically, what is the closest European nation to the continent of Africa?
Would it be Spain?
Spain is correct. Yeah, Malta is really close, but Spain's a little closer. Nice one. Ryan. All right, Ryan, your question. Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Germany, Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, and Russia all border what body of water in Europe? That's a lot of.
Repeat that.
Yeah, question one more time. Yeah, it's a lot of countries. So we've got Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Germany, Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, and Russia all border the same body of water. What body of water in Europe is it?
The Baltic Sea.
The Baltic Sea is correct. Nice. Jake. All right, Jake, your question. There are only 2 nations on Earth that border both the Arabian Sea and China. One of them is India. Name the other country.
Pakistan.
Here's the, yeah, didn't need a repeat. Nice. Pakistan. Good one. Nice. Vincent. Okay, Vincent, your question. What nation in Europe features the highest number of active volcanoes?
It's somewhere in the Alps, so I'm probably, it might be in the Alps. I honestly don't know, so I'm gonna go take my best guess, and You know what? I'm probably gonna go with Greece.
Greece?
Yeah,
Greece is Iceland. Iceland's got the
Oh.
most. Yeah.
yeah, especially that big one.
Oh, hell yeah. Can't forget about that. Next, John. Next, John. All right, your question right here. Transylvania, which is a region famous for its vampire legends and folklore, is actually a real place on Earth. Transylvania is a region located in what nation in Europe?
Romania.
Romania is correct. All right. Last one, Jeremiah. All right, Jeremiah, your question. The surface of the Dead Sea is the lowest form of elevation on land anywhere in the world. The Dead Sea is located between Israel and what nation directly east of Israel? Question one more time. The surface of the Dead Sea is the lowest form of elevation on land anywhere in the world. The Dead Sea is located between Israel and what country directly east of Israel?
Saudi Arabia.
Oh, close. Jordan. We're looking for Jordan there, the country of Jordan. All right, let's see. So we'll check the scores. Jeremiah, all right. Everybody else is good?
Yep.
All right. All right, Jeremiah, stick around. All right. Continue watching the bee if you'd like. We'd like you to stay. All right, man. All right, we're going to continue in this round. We got a few more questions here in this round. Back to the top of the order, Chase. Here we go. All right, Chase. What is the national capital of North Korea?
Pyongyang.
Pyongyang is correct. Justin. All right, Justin. The largest lake in Africa is Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria is bordered by 3 nations. Name one of them.
Kenya.
Kenya is one. Yeah, the other 2 are Tanzania and Uganda. All right. Ted. All right, Ted, your question. There is only one country in the world that borders the White Sea. Name it. So we've got, I think there's 4 in the world that all have colors: the Black Sea, the Red Sea, the Yellow Sea. This is the White Sea, and there's only one country that borders it. What is that one country?
Greenland.
Greenland is incorrect. Russia. Russia. All right. Next, Ryan. All right, Ryan. Mount Sinai, considered holy to both Christians and Jews alike, stands tall in what nation of the world? Mount Sinai.
Egypt.
Egypt is correct. Yes. Yeah, the Sinai Peninsula is part of Egypt. That's it. Next, Jake. All right, Jake. At 2,300 miles long, this is Europe's longest river, as well as its largest in terms of volume of water. Name the river.
The Dnieper River.
Oh, Dnieper is close. The Volga River. Yeah. That was a darn good guess, though, man. Next, Vincent. All right, Vincent, your question. Here it is. Internationally renowned for its glamorous hotels, restaurants, and casinos, as well as its beautiful Mediterranean shoreline, The nation of Monaco is one of the tiniest countries on earth. Monaco borders only one other nation. Name it.
France.
France is correct. All right. John, last one in this round. All right, John. This country in Africa actually has 3 national capitals, one for each branch of government, executive, judicial, and legislative. What country is it?
South Africa.
South Africa is correct. All right. We'll take a look at the scores for a moment. Jake? Okay. All right, Jake, stick around. All right, stick around, man. Continue watching. Good stuff to make it this far. That's awesome. All right, guys, next, we're going to shift gears here a little bit. You're going to come up. Yeah, Chase, you can make your way up there. That's fine. All right, for this round, I'm going to give you a country. You simply have to tell me the capital of that country. It could be anywhere in the world. All right, Western Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere, it doesn't matter. All right, Chase, first country is Iraq. Iraq. No, not a guess, no?
No.
All right, Iraq's capital is Baghdad. Baghdad. All right. Justin. Well, still in the same region there near the Middle East, Iran. Iran. No, Iran's capital is Tehran. Tehran.
Was not gonna get that.
All right, next, Ted. All right, Ted, your country, the Philippines. Philippines.
No idea.
No, capital of Philippines is Manila. Manila. Next, Ryan. All right, Ryan, your country, Finland. Finland. Finland.
Stockholm.
Ooh, Stockholm is Sweden. Finland is Helsinki. Yeah, right next door. All right, man. Next, Vincent.
Okay.
All right, Vincent. Sudan. Sudan.
It's a hard pronunciation, but I definitely butchered that pronunciation. But I believe it starts with a K.
Okay, so I need an answer there. What do you-
Carfar.
what do you think, judges?
Yeah, but pronunciation is really difficult.
Sounds pretty close.
Carfar.
Can you
Harfar?
offer like more of the spelling?
Kharto.
Yeah, I think that's good enough for us. Yeah, yeah, Khartoum, Khartoum.
Yeah.
Nice, Vincent. All right.
Yeah, I'm not best at pronouncing it, but
He got it, man. He got it. All right, next, John. All right, John, next question. Liberia. Liberia.
What's it called? Freetown.
Oh, close. Monrovia.
Oh,
Monrovia. Yeah. All right, let's check the scores here. Give us a moment. So, let's do. Go for first and second. Yeah, that's right. Right. Yes. Right. So these two are exactly this, right? And then these two, right? Okay.
We only have two.
Gotcha.
Or no, he has.
Yeah, two.
Just two.
So we're good, right?
So we will do that.
We're gonna keep going with the other guys. That's gonna be third place. All right, here we go. We just check the scores, Mr. Velarde and I. All right, so we've got Justin and Vincent only have 2 incorrect answers. Everyone else has 3. So you 2 guys are exempt in this round for right now. We got to continue with these other guys to determine third place, right? Because the third place winner gets a trophy also. So you 2 guys hang out for this round. The other guys have to come back up here one more time so we can get third place. Chase. We're sticking with the capitals here, countries and capitals, all right? All right, Chase, next. Denmark.
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen is correct. All right, nice. Ted. All right, Ted, let's see here. Afghanistan.
No idea.
No, Afghanistan's capital is Kabul with a K, Kabul. Next, Ryan. All right, Ryan, your country. Vietnam.
Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh, yeah, it used to be Hanoi. Now Hanoi is the capital. Next, John. All right, John, let's see which one's next. Portugal.
Lisbon.
Lisbon is correct. He and Chase, right? Okay, Chase, you're back up, dude. You and John answered correctly in that round, so you guys are going to keep going, all right? All right, next, what country's next? Belgium.
Brussels.
Brussels is correct. All right, John, your country. Indonesia.
Jakarta.
Jakarta is correct. Oof. Chase, back up here. Looks like we're getting a little tougher on this list here. Lithuania.
Deciduous. I don't know.
I'm sorry?
Deciduous.
No, it's the last part sounded like it a little bit. Vilnius is the capital of Lithuania. All right, John, back to you here. It looks like we're still in Europe. Hungary. Budapest is correct. All right. So John, right, John? All right, John, third place. Nice, man. Good stuff. All right. All right, so our third place winner, John Potak, all right? And we need to now, get back to Justin and Vincent to see for our first and second, all right? We're still in this category here of capitals. All right, next, Turkey.
What's it, Istanbul?
It is not Istanbul. Yeah, that's in Turkey, but the capital is Ankara with an A, Ankara. Vincent. All right, Vincent, your country here. Next in the list is Poland.
Warsaw.
Warsaw is correct. All right. That's it, right? All right, fellas, there we go. All right, good stuff. Nice. All right, so just to recap here, So we've got. So the BS conclude, we've got our third place winner is John Potak. Second place winner is Justin Haggerty. And our first place winner is Vincent Petters. All right, good stuff, guys.
Good job, guys. Come on up, guys.
All right, Dr. Nolan's got the trophies over here. Let's check that out, fellas. All right, round of applause for everybody. Good stuff, guys.
Good
Nice.
work, guys.
All right. Good deal. Just that's perfect timing there, huh?
Ryan, we're good, right?
All right, we're good, everybody?
Excellent.
All right, thank you, everybody. Thank you.